Hey there, electrical workers. Today I'm diving into something crucial for your safety and career: NR10. Now you might be wondering, what's NR10? Well, it's a key piece of Brazilian legislation focused on accident prevention in the workplace. Constant updates to this law help ensure that both workers and employers can maintain safe and healthy work environments. Here's the scoop. The Collective Convention on Occupational Safety and Health for the electrical sector in São Paulo was developed after extensive debate among government, companies, and workers. This convention sets out guidelines to improve and modernize the activities of generating, transmitting, and distributing electricity. The top priority? Protecting workers who are in direct contact with electrical installations and services. NR10 originally came into being through Ordinance 3214 back in 1978, thanks to the now-defunct Ministry of Labor. But December 2004 was a game-changer. Major updates were made, reflecting the proposals from the group responsible for implementing the convention. So what changed in 2004? One standout update was the introduction of specific training in occupational safety and health engineering. This training outlines essential topics and minimum duration, which are now key components of NR10. Understanding and complying with NR10 isn't just about following rules, it's about making sure you go home safe and sound after every shift. Stay informed, stay safe, and keep those circuits running smoothly. Catch you in the next video.